Hi all, it's Arshad from Tech School of Motoring. Today we're going to talk about who has a right of way when you are turning left into a side road. So by now you're aware of your MSPSL routine. Let's say this blue car is you coming along this road. You want to take the next left here. Here is a car turning right. Who's gonna go first? So you check your left mirror, rear view mirror, slow signal to the left, position towards the curb a little bit, slow down and look. Okay, so now in this position that person is turning right into this road, you're turning left into the side road. You have right of way over that car. Okay, the only people you're going to give way to is somebody already on that road crossing. So pedestrian, cyclist crossing the road, let them cross the road, and then you follow the curb nicely all the way. Then as you're here, cancel your signal, check your rear view mirror and look for road sign and get up to the speed limit if it is safe to do so and the road condition allows. I hope this has been informative for you. I'll see you in the next one.